Good morning, students. Good morning, JE students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma. Students, in the last class, we are completed empirical formula and molecular formula calculations. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So the related empirical formula and molecular formula calculations problems from objective material, you have to do your own level 1 as well as level 2 questions. Whatever the doubts you have to bring to my notice. So this is my appeal to JE students, first PU JE students. Clear, students? What is
Okay,
the
sir.
work? Homework? Empirical formula and molecular formula related questions that are in JE material. Level 1 as well as level 2 questions, you have to solve your one. Only empirical formula, molecular formula, that concept questions. Remaining stoichiometric calculations, still we didn't start, na? Students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Students, stoichiometric calculations, we have 4 types. Out of 4, 3 are very, very important. What are they? Weight calculation, weight volume calculation, volume calculation. These are the important stoichiometric calculations. So one more example I want to give to better explain these weight relation, weight volume relation, as well as volume relations. Please observe carefully. Next example you have to write. Students, are you clear? Next example, I will write different types of relations with respect to weight, with respect to volume, with respect to weight, with respect to moles. Next example, you have to write your one. Okay, this I will explain. Clear, students? Observe. Generally, students, how you will get carbon dioxide? How you will get carbon dioxide, ma?
Carbon on combustion gives carbon dioxide.
Carbon, when interacts with oxygen or carbon undergoes combustion, we will get carbon dioxide. Very good. What is the corresponding equation for that?
C plus O2 gives CO2.
Gives CO2.
This is the equation. Na? Students, please observe. With respect to moles, how many moles of carbon I have? In
1.
this equation, 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon. 1 mole of carbon. How many moles of oxygen?
1.
1.
1. Suppose here 2 is there, what we have, right?
2 moles.
2 moles. So we are getting how many moles of CO2?
1.
1.
This is with respect to moles. Okay, na? Next, with respect to weight or mass, I will write here 12. Will you accept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Weight is 12 only. Na? Oxygen 32. Na?
Yes, sir.
We will get 44 grams CO2. Okay, na? This is with respect to weight. Next, with respect to volume, how many moles?
1
1
mole.
mole.
1 mole of any substance occupies how many liters?
22.4 liters.
22.4.
So that's why here 1 is there, 1 into 22.4. Next, this is also 1 mole, 22.4. This is also 1 mole, so we get 22.4 liters. Okay, this is moles relation, this is weight relation, this is volume relation. Suppose weight volume relation means they may ask a question like this one. What is the volume of O2 required for combustion of 6 grams of carbon? This is asking volume, this is given weight. So he is asking question, what is the volume of carbon, weight of carbon required for 6 grams of combustion of oxygen? What is the volume of oxygen required for combustion of 6 grams of carbon? You see, this information we know from the equation. Actually, 12 grams of carbon requires how much volume?
22.4.
22.4 liters.
22.4 liters. Suppose if you take 6 grams of carbon, how much we require?
11.2.
11.2.
Sir, whatever the answer let it be. Is it possible to calculate?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So such type of relations are called weight volume relation. One is asked in weight, another one is asked in volume. Clear, students? Like this we have to write weight relation, volume relation, mole relation. We'll write for another example. First copy this one. So if you write like this, almost actually all parts not required according to the given question. What he given that we have to require. Clear, students? In sometimes
sir.
you may ask simply moles. Mole means we have to write this information. No need to write this all information. If you ask weight means only we have to write second step. If you ask volume means only we have to write third step. So what I am telling, final conclusion is, if you are perfect to representation of moles with respect to weight, with respect to volume, you can easily understand these calculations: weight calculation, weight volume calculation, as well as mole calculation. Clear, students? First copy this example. Make it fast. Completed, students?
Completed, sir.
Vinayakananda, completed?
Yes, sir.
So please write one more example. Please write it for this reaction: moles, weight, and volume. How to complete within 1 or 2 minutes. C2H4 28 molecular weight. See, students, one more. First of all, is it balanced reaction? Students, is it balanced reaction? 2 carbons, 4 hydrogens, 6 oxygens, 4 plus 2, 6 oxygens. So it is a balanced reaction.
Balance.
1 mole, this is 3 moles. This is
2
2
moles.
moles. This is 2 moles. First one is completed.
Yes, sir.
Next, weight
28.
28.
28.
28. This is 3 into 32. You write the O to 32. This 3 as it is, no problem. Okay. Next, this is 2 into 44. This is 2 into 80. This is a weight combination. Next, volume 22.4 liters. This is 3 into
22.4.
This is
2 into 22.4.
This is 2 into 22.4. So this is the mole combination, weight combination, and the volume combination. Clear, students?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many members did correct?
No, sir.
Sir, I too got correct.
Only 2 members are responding. Remaining, what happened? Indudar, Sai Sharan, Srinidhi, completed. Sumukh Sharma.
Yes, sir, completed.
Very good. Shall we discuss the problems?
Yes,
Say yes or no. Please give response. Okay. So before going to discuss the problems, we have to remember some basic reactions. Basic reactions, please remember. You know combustion reaction. What is combustion reaction, children? Burning of any substance in the presence of
Oxygen.
Oxygen is combustion.
This is hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon and combustion, what we will get always?
Carbon dioxide and water.
Carbon dioxide and water.
Carbon dioxide into water vapor we will get. Is clear, students? Next, decomposition of limestone. What is the equation? Decomposition of limestone equation. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. That is one more reaction. Next, any metals react with acid, that is hydrogen containing acids. What we will get? Hydrogen gas we will get. Basic reaction. Any metal react with hydrogen containing acid. Say for example, copper plus H2SO4. Copper sulfate plus hydrogen gas we will get, na? Students.
Yes, sir. Displacement reaction.
Some reactions also you have to remember. Next, acid base reactions also you have to remember. Acid base reaction means nothing but it is a neutralization reaction. Say for example, NaOH plus HCl. You will get NaCl and H2O. Clear? So these all we have to remember. So now shall we discuss a few problems related to psychometric calculation?
Yes, sir.
Please write down the problem. Write down question. What is the weight of SO2? What is the weight of SO2? Can be made by burning of sulfur. By burning of sulfur in 5 moles of oxygen. I repeat the question.
Repeat the question.
What is the weight of SO2? Can be made or can be formed by burning of sulfur in 5 moles of oxygen. Very simple question. So looking like tricky but easy one. Students, first half of the answer, not half of, more than 75% answer is depends on balanced reaction. So according to question, students, can you guess what is the balanced reaction?
Yes, SO2
Sir,
plus O2
5S
gives
plus 5O2 gives 5SO2.
You don't say numbers first. First you say skeletal equation. Skeletal equation you have to say.
S plus O2 gives SO2.
That is the answer. Why you are telling 5? Why?
Sir,
Please.
final answer I gave, sir.
Final answer also wrong. Okay, na? Please observe. Very good. Good attempt. First is skeletal equation. Next balanced reaction. Step by step we have to follow. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
When you are doing your problems, you have to follow what I followed. Then you will get the answers. So directly, if you do something means definitely you may get confusion. So don't want to create that confusion. Please observe. Okay, na? Is it balanced reaction?
Yes, sir.
That's a balanced reaction. No problem. So it is a first balanced reaction is required. Okay, na? This is a how many moles of oxygen?
5 moles.
Okay. In this equation, not
One
question.
mole.
1 mole.
Important. First, not question is secondary. First, previous example, what I wrote with respect to moles, with respect to mass, with respect to volume.
Yes, sir.
Like that, we have tried. 1 mole of O2. This is 1 mole. Here, how many moles of SO2?
1 mole.
1 mole. But I am not taking moles. Yakandre, question given moles weight ratio. Clear? So
Yes,
here,
sir.
what is the weight of SO2? 64 I will write.
Correct, sir.
64 is ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 32 plus 32 64
64.
64 grams. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this information is not given in question. This information you have to made from the balanced reaction. Clear what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Next we have to go to problem. Alva? According to this problem, how many moles of oxygen is required to get 64 grams of SO2?
1 mole.
Only na? That means 1 mole of O2 gives 64 grams of SO2. This is according to equation. Okay, na? This is according to equation. Okay, na? According to equation, 1 mole of SO2 giving how many moles of SO2? 64. Sorry, how many grams? 64 grams. In question, how many moles of oxygen given?
5 mole.
5 moles if you take oxygen, how much sulfur dioxide you will get? Cross multiplication completed.
320.
Are you clear about this, students? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
So X is equal to 5 mole into 64 grams divided by 1 mole. Mole cancel. 5 by 100. 5 only. 5 into 64. Endama? Estama?
320.
20.
5 6 5 60 is 300. 5 4 is 20. Yes, 320 grams. Clear? What I am telling?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this way. Okay? Is better? Please same after completion. Why? Because into the any doubt? Into the any doubt?
Sir,
Any doubt?
not.
Clear? Lydia Jan, understood? Lydia. Okay, ma. Next question, we will discuss.
Yes, sir, understood.
Next question, please try yourself. No problem. You are getting wrong answers means no need to worry. So one fine day means after 2 or 3 problems you can do correct answers. No problem. Write down one more question. Please don't reveal your answer. Do yourself and please check with my answer. Okay, na? Write down 1.5 mole of O2. 1.5 mole of O2. 1.5 mole of O2 combines with Mg. I repeat, students. 1.5 mole of O2 combines with Mg to form MgO. He is only telling the equation how to write. Okay, to form MgO. Full stop. The mass of Mg, the mass of Mg, the mass of Mg that combined with that combined is the mass of Mg that combined is. This is the question mark. The mass of Mg that combined is. What is the equation according to given question?
Mg plus O2 gives MgO.
See, very important. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. But it is not a balanced reaction. We have to balance. See, 2 oxygens are. You please write here 2. Next, if you write like that, how many magnesiums, ma?
2.
Say 2 magnesium. Here we have written 2 magnesiums.
Yes, sir. Balanced.
Okay, na? Here, according to equation, the 2 into 24 I will write. Why I am not taking moles? In question he is asking weight of magnesium combined. That only na.
Yes, sir.
So that's why E2 as it is magnesium atomic weight 24. But O2 I will take moles. How many moles?
1.
That's all. Completed answer. This equation prakara. This important. Here steps important. Remaining you can write easily. Okay na? 2 into 24 grams of Mg required 1 mole of O2. Andre 1 mole O2 required 2 into 24 grams Mg. Here one last statements.
Yes, sir.
Question only. How many moles of O2 given?
1.5.
1.5 moles.
1.5 mole O2 means how much magnesium is required. Clear what I am telling? So X is equal to 1.5 mole into 2 into 24 divided by 1 mole. Mole cancel.
72.
70.
2.
48 into 1.5 2 into 24 is 48. Illandre 1.5 into 2 is 3 na 3 into 24.
72, sir.
72.
Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You please think yourself why I am writing here weight, why I am writing here mole. According to question, one is given in moles, another one is given in weight. So that's why we have to write like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Please. Please write down. Any difficulty here?
No, sir.
Next question, ma'am. Is it try marker? Students, please try yourself.
Yes, sir.
Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. On heating. Sodium bicarbonate on heating decomposes. On heating decomposes to form sodium carbonate, comma CO2 and water. I repeat, sodium bicarbonate on heating decomposes to form sodium carbonate, CO2 and water. So up to this, he did not given any information. He is telling how to write the reaction. Okay, na? NaHCO3 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. He is telling that you have to balance. Please start. If 0.2 moles of sodium bicarbonate if 0.2 moles of sodium bicarbonate decomposed, if 0.2 moles of sodium bicarbonate decomposed, how many moles of sodium carbonate formed? If 0.2 moles of sodium bicarbonate decomposed, how many moles of sodium carbonate formed? Okay, that's the question. First, I will write the equation. You please say the answer. Don't reveal. Whenever I will ask you how to say the answer. Sodium bicarbonate formula. You don't know? NaHCO.
CO3.
NaHCO.
Okay, it is also known as the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay,
or baking soda.
This is not balanced reaction. Why? Because here only one sodium, here two sodiums. So, and moreover, here two carbons, here only one carbon. So, this is balanced reaction. Now you can check it is a balanced reaction. Two sodiums, there two sodiums, two hydrogens, there two hydrogens, two carbons, there two carbons, six oxygens, there 3 plus 1 plus 2, 6. Okay, now you please try yourself. What is given in question and underline. You please write here according to the equation. What is given, you please check. Next, according to problem.
Sir, is it 0.1 moles?
0.1 molar. Check mark.
Yes, same answer.
Very good. Correct. 0.1. Absolutely correct. Students, please observe. Vinay Gangadhar, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
How much?
0.1 mole.
Very good. See, according to the equation. Okay, na? How many moles is there? 2 moles, sir. Here, how many moles of Na2CO3 we are getting?
1.
1 mole. Okay. 2 moles forming 1 mole according to equation. 2 moles forming 1 mole Na2CO3. How many moles of NaHCO3 given in question?
0.2.
0.2. 0.2 moles if you take, how many moles of Na2CO3 form? 0.2 into 1 by 2. Just a minute.
0.1.
0.1 mole Na2CO3. 2 by 20. 1 by 10. 0.1. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. Question, one more question. No? I will say equation.
Yes, sir.
Students, if you have any doubts, you can ask. After that, I did not understand. I am not concentrated. My network signal is weak. Means it's not fair. Are you clear what I am telling? What is my intention? Whenever I am teaching the class, so maximum students try to understand the concepts. Okay, na? So network problems are means can't do anything. Please try to understand the problem. Will you solve this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down question. The oxygen obtained from 72 kg of water is. Oxygen is obtained from 72 kg of water is. Students, how we will get oxygen from water? Water decomposition only na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The equation is H2O gives H2 plus O2. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 oxygens ಅಲ್ವಾ 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು H2 ಇದು equation ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ the amount of oxygen obtained by 72 kg. If given in kg, no problem. You please take this is kg, no problem. All are you have to take in kgs. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 2 into 84 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 into 84 kg ನೇ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು you can take no problem. try ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Anyone? First write according to equation masses. Ella masses ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Vinay, what is the answer? Completed.
Sir, is it 64 kg, sir?
64. Very good, but I did check. Very good, super. Congrats. 64 kg. Absolute answer. Very simple, na? So 2 into 18 kg. I will take kg. What happened? So 2 into 18 kg gives how much oxygen? 32 kg. The equation प्रकार 2 into 18 gives 32 kg O2. How much kg of water I taken?
72 kg, sir.
For 72 kg, how much O2 by unit? 72 into 32 divided by 2 into 18. Okay na? 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja na? Okay na? 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja. 72 into 8 by 9. Estapa? 64 ah?
Yes, sir.
Anyone get a correct answer other than Abhay? Anyone?
Got sir 64.
Banta answer?
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
Got?
Yes, sir. I got 64.
Very good. Sharan?
Yes, sir, I got.
Okay. Next, one more question. Chalega? Next. This is how to say, right? For the reaction, Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives 2Fe plus 3CO. This is the reaction given in question. For the reaction, write this reaction. Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives 2Fe plus 3CO2. Comma. The volume of CO required. The volume of CO required to reduce volume of CO required to reduce 1 mole of ferric oxide. This is ferric oxide. To reduce 1 mole of ferric oxide at STP. To reduce 1 mole of ferric oxide at STP. Students, this I will solve. Please observe. So, according to the equation, 1 mole of Fe2O3 na? Say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here I will take CO 3 into 22.4. He is asking in question, volume of CO na? Read the question.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I am taking volume of CO 3 into 22.4. 1 mole requires 3 into 22.4 liters. That is 22.4 centimeter cube or decimeter cube, whatever it may be. He given options in decimeter cube. I will take decimeter cube. Liter from decimeter cube. Okay na? So question is 1 mole of ferric oxide. 1 mole of ferric oxide requires how much? So question is 1 mole. 1 mole requires 3 into 22.4. 3 into 22.4 means how much? 67.2 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's the answer. Suppose if he given other than 1 mole means we have to write here separately. 1 mole means 3 into 22.4. X moles gives how much volume? That's all. Previous problems we did na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. This you will say 84. One more question I want to give. Will you solve?
Yes, sir.
No response.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhay JK, please don't say the answers. Remaining students, I want to give the chance. Okay, please. You are very active. Good students. Remaining also good students. You want to think like that. What is the weight of oxygen? What is the weight of oxygen required? What is the weight of oxygen required for complete combustion of? What is the weight of oxygen required for complete combustion of? For complete combustion of 2.8 kg of 2.8 kg of ethylene. Ethylene formula C2H4. He is telling combustion reaction. First, you have to write a combustion reaction of C2H4. So today, starting the equation I wrote now, please write ethylene form. Ethylene combustion reaction, please write and try to solve the answer. Students, anyone?
Sir, 9.6.
I said you don't say the answer.
Sir, you said anyone, sir. That's why I said.
Other than you. Okay, 9.6 correct answer. C2H4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Then C2H4 28 according to equation.
Yes, sir.
Either 3 into 32. So 28 kg equal to 3 into 32 kg O2. Next question, how much given? 2.8 kg. So 28 gives 3 into 32. 2.8 kg gives how much? 2.8 into 3 into 32 divided by 28. Okay, na? How much?
9.6.
9.6.
9.6 kg. Somewhat easy only, not difficulty. If you know the reaction, you can write easily the answer. Okay. Next. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic. Another topic means one more type of problem is there in stoichiometric calculation. Limiting reagent anta ondide. So we will discuss the problems based on that. Okay, today completely we will discuss. Next. For this I will write equation. You please solve your own. Okay, na? How many grams of NaOH required to neutralize I repeat, how many grams of NaOH required to neutralize 12.2 grams of benzoic acid? 12.2 grams of benzoic acid. The question. So I will write the reaction one. So C6H5COOH model. Okay, na? First you write according to equation what is the mass of this one, what is the mass of this one. Next you have to apply this question. Okay, na? Please leave some space, 4 or 5 lines, and please solve yourself. Okay? This is a homework question. Next. Students, will you write one more question? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
What is the volume of carbon dioxide? What is the volume of carbon dioxide will be liberated? What is the volume of carbon dioxide will be liberated at NTP? At NTP. So students, NTP, STP both are same. So STP the term we have used for gases. NTP term we have to use for liquids. Okay na?
Yes.
Conditions ಒಂದೇ. STP no NTP conditions ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. But STP means with respect to gases, NTP means with respect to liquids. Okay nama? Question What is the volume of CO2 will be liberated at NTP if 12 grams of carbon undergoes, if 12 grams of carbon undergoes combustion in the presence of oxygen. 12 grams of carbon undergoes combustion in the presence of oxygen. This is also very easy, dead easy question. Okay, na? Say yes or no. This is also homework. Equation anama. What is the equation for that question?
C plus O2 gives CO2.
That's all. So here I am asking volume. So that's why volume we have tried with respect to CO2. Weight of carbon with respect to carbon with respect to weight we have tried. Next. One more question. Padala. Padbeka. Yes or no? 3 questions I want to give.
Use
Question ಏನಂದ್ರೆ the volume of oxygen liberated, the volume of oxygen liberated from 0.68 grams of H2O2. I repeat, the volume of oxygen liberated from 0.68 grams of H2O2 at STP. At STP. So equation is H2O2 gives H2O plus O2. This is balanced reaction. 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens, 4 oxygens. 3. So these 3 questions is solvable one. Okay, na students?
Okay, sir.
Okay, easy questions only. Okay, na? Whatever the doubts you have, you can ask in next class. In the next class, we will discuss another important topic. Okay, na? So yes or no?
okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. So
Thank you,
this
sir.
is,
Bye, sir.
this is today's
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
based on stoichiometric calculations. Different calculations we covered now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.